Hey, Troy here, and in this video, I'm going to be talking about this new Cash App Green status and why I personally would never use this ever. I encourage you to watch this video through to the end because I am going to share with you how I would use my regular Cash App card to get a lot more benefits and save a lot more money. So give me your full undivided attention for the next few minutes. If what I share with you makes a lot of sense, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel if you have not done so already. So let's dig right in. What are the benefits of this Cash App Green status? Some of the major perks, all right, you're going to get a higher weekly sending limit. So verified users can send up to $7,500 per week and receive unlimited amounts. Unverified accounts are stuck at small limits. Higher withdrawal limits. You can withdraw larger amounts from your cash card at ATMs and stores once verified. You know what this says to me? To me, what this says is fees, transactions, and spend more money, right? So I want you to think about what I just said. Now, as far as the email that I just received regarding this email came in to me earlier today. How Cash App Green works. Benefits are available when you earn them. After you earn status, your benefits continue through the end of the following month. For example, if you earn status in November, then they're available until December 31st. So let's talk about the reasons why I would never use this and how I would use my regular Cash App card. So originally, the way to get verified and to get the Cash App Green status, and I believe they're still doing this, you would have to obviously share some personal information, nothing too crazy, but just go through their enrollment process. Now, here's something else that you can do, and this is what turns me off. You can renew your status each month, spend $500 with your Cash App card each month to renew your status, or you can direct deposit $300 in paychecks instead. Again, they're telling you you need to spend more money. How is Cash App making money? They're making money off of your fees. They're making money off of your spending habits. So they want you to spend $500 so that you can get some of the benefits of being able to spend more money and being able to get things like cash back. I read somewhere where they were giving like 3.5% cash back when you use your Cash App card in certain stores. Now, this is going to make a lot more sense. Check this out. I would take my regular Cash App card and I would connect it to this brand new opportunity. This is, I believe, it's less than maybe 6 months old. Could be 5 months old. But I would take my Cash App card or any other credit or debit card, and I would connect that to this Save Club program. Now, not only are you able to save money with Save Club, and I'm going to show you how you can do that consistently, but this is also a great way for you to be able to earn money and residual profits. And the company pays out every single Friday. I've been getting paid from them like clockwork. So let's say you take your Cash App, right? You take your card. You're going to go in, download this free Save Club app, right? Getting this free app costs you nothing. And when you get this free app, you're going to connect your Cash App card to the Save Club free app. And anytime that you use it, you're going to be able to get cash back. And on average, people are seeing like 5%, 6% cash back on things that they buy that they were going to buy anyway. So uh, there are thousands and thousands of different places where you can use your Cash App card to save money, to get instant cash back. But I'm going to share some other things with you and give you some examples. Now, let's say, you were looking at this as a potential business opportunity, or, you just really wanted to take more advantage of just what's available inside the free app. Save Club currently has over 1 million retailers globally where you can save money on things like food, right? Fine dining, eating out, fast food, restaurants, nightclubs, bars, right? There's almost 64,000 places where you can eat currently. And this is always upgrading, and more places are being added every week. Places to play, recreation, 49,200. We're talking about saving money on things like movie tickets, golf, sporting, entertainment events, right? Skiing, whatever. Online shopping, over 207,000 different ways to save. There's different services, automotive, health, beauty, e-commerce, retail shopping. And I'm talking about like name brand places. You're not changing your spending habits. You're just making a decision to save more money. Hey, have you heard of Costco's, right? Have you heard of Walmart? These are places that no one has to explain to you what they are. And if they offered you some kind of a discount, every single time you use them, multiple days, multiple weeks, multiple months, um, you're going to take them. So what's the difference between using the Save Club free app? And I should also mention travel is massive. I'm seeing people saving $500, $600, $700 on their travel expenses when they're going on vacation. So uh, the difference between the free app and being an actual Save Club affiliate, and I'll put it to you in the form of a question. Would you spend $20 a month if you knew that you were going to end up saving $200 a month or possibly more every single month? Would you invest $20 a month to save 200, 250? I don't know anyone that would say no to that. And therefore, the Save Club retention has been exceptionally high because of that. And they're always adding new things. I'm talking about going to the grocery store, shopping. I'm talking about being able to save money. If you're in the USA, you could save money on your bills. A lot of states right now, Save Club is set up in where you could save money on like your cable bill or your cell phone bill, or your electricity bill, right? So there's so much more that you're able to do with this. And again, I'm just sharing with you how I would be using my Cash App card, or again, any other credit or debit card, completely up to you. And then, right, check this out. When you sign up for Save Club and you become a customer or an active member, when you go into your back office, and you'll see a tutorial video showing you how to get through this. For anybody that joins me in Save Club and becomes an active member, I always send them out an email. And in the email, I'm basically sharing with them the most important things that they need to know about their back office and what they need to be focused on. But what happens when you opt into your back office? you're going to click on this deals button, and this deals button is going to share with you all the different ways that you could save money according to your zip code, right? If you're in the USA, your zip code. Now again, there are a lot of these savings in multiple countries all over the world, but let's say you're in New York, you punch in your zip code, you hit search. Within seconds, it's going to populate all of the deals that you have access to in your zip code. And if you are traveling, let's say if you're from New York, but maybe you're going to Florida, whatever zip code it is that you're going to, punch in that zip code in your back office, click this search button, and you'll see all of the different ways that you can save money populate. So look at this, right? I mean, look at these categories. 1,435 different places to save money with your cars, automotive, business and office, car rental, condos and resorts, cruises and tours, dining and food. Very first week that I joined this opportunity, my wife and I like Papa John's pizza, right? We ordered Papa John's pizza. I saved something like $18. And that's just one thing, right? From a $20 a month investment. I also bought a pair of Skechers sneakers where I ended up saving like 23, 24 bucks. And for a family member, a family friend actually, that I consider a family member, we ended up buying them a laptop, and I saved a little bit over $400 on a brand new state-of-the-art laptop, and I got that from Best Buy. So my point is that you could be saving money over and over again, and let's just check out some of these things that popped up when I checked the back office. Avis Car Rental, 30% average savings. Shake Shack. Ooh, that's a tongue twister. 20% average savings, right? Crunch Fitness, $15 average savings. GNC, $20 average savings. This right here alone would cover your monthly investment from one product purchase, saving you 20 bucks. And then when you click these buttons, you'll be able to view the deals. Hard Rock Cafe, 15%. Applebee's, 10%. Men's Warehouse, 10%. So you guys get the gist. And the other thing, this is the Save Club free app. Once this video is over, you can either go to the description, I'll explain to you how you can get access to this free app. And what you will need to do once you get it is just log in to your Save Club back office. You're going to see at saveclub.com, you're going to see member, and then you're going to see pre-enrollee. Everyone starts out at the pre-enrollee level. Log in to your site, and you're going to download the free app from your back office. Right? You're going to have to download that from your back office to be able to get these deals. And then you just connect your Cash App card or whatever card it is that you want to use. You're going to see this 90-second video explaining more about this free app, how you can save money and how you can make money. And guess what? You make money by sharing this free app with other people. They go ahead, they get the free app, they share it with other people, and guess what? A lot of times those people that do become active, and many of them will, they're going to be a part of your team. If they're a part of your team, there is a good chance that you are going to be able to earn residual commissions on them. And again, we get paid every Friday. So that's how I would be using this. I would stay away, personally speaking, from the Cash App green status. Again, for 3 reasons I would stay away. Fees, transactions, spend more. Save Club, save money, make money, spend less, period. Which one makes more sense? Go to the description to get information on how to take advantage of this, or you can go to my YouTube channel, click on the YouTube channel link, look for my free app. Thanks so much for watching this video. If you got some value from it, shoot me over a like, comment, subscribe to my channel. Once again, it's Troy, and I really do hope this helped you. Take care.